Welcome everybody to Nellie's Nook. My name is Nellie and today I will be sharing with you how to mark your book for your patterns without your ruler. I thought that I already did this video a couple of months ago and I just realized that I have not finished it, so I will just redo it again. Of course, what you will need, it's a book. We will need a pretty good pencil, and we will need a pattern, and the pattern will be in the graph pattern, not in the table as a lot of people are used to. I was hesitating to do my graph patterns for a while, and when I started with the graph, it saved me a lot of time to mark my pattern. So usually I do 180 degrees on these so we can color them, so I can put any color in pages. I will be marking my book without a ruler, so we will be marking the folds and marking the pattern without the ruler. I think you will find it that it's a little bit faster than marking from the table, but everybody has their preferences. So let me just share another style. First, we will be measuring and marking where the crease will be happening. I have a little tool over here that my great friend made for me. So I will be marking I will be creasing where I will be folding my pattern. So it will be 1 and 2, and that's where will be my first fold, and then where will be my second fold. You can use the depth that you like. Each book will have a different space over here. I like to keep it as much as I can in white, so I have a nice white front. So that will be my marking, and of course you can use your ruler and mark your depth, and then just crease it with the ruler. Use whatever the tools you have and you are used to. So that's what I will be doing here. Once we are done creasing, we will be marking pages. Again, we will not use the ruler, and we will use the pattern graph. And as you can see, on each line we have a page number. Okay, so let me take my first page, and I have a number 29 over here, which does not have, it's showing me it does not have any marking. So this one will be my folding. So I will be only folding my page. I will not be marking on it. Okay, cutting. So then I have to, I'm sorry, I just have a couple of them marked already. My next page is page 37 in this book. What you can do, you can put a couple of pages on the top of your pattern and go one by one, which is a little bit faster, or you can go just one page at a time. So I'll show you one page at a time. Number 37, page number 37 has to correspond then to the page that you have in your book. Then you can see the beginning of the line over here, so that will be a top of your book. That's a top of the page that you will have. So I'll put it number 37, put on the top of the page, line up with your page, and now you can see a little bars over here. So when the bar starting, that's here, and my bar ends, it's over here, and then another one on this line is here, and another one is right here, and my page is marked. That's all I have to do instead of using my ruler. So my 37 is done. I usually just scratch it off. You can go to 39, line up on the top, and with the page, and again there is a little marker here top and the bottom, beginning and the end, and my 39 is done. And now you can see number 41. 41 doesn't have any lines, so we will just leave it because it will be just folded. So it's 2 mark and 1 skip on this one. Let me do pages that we have a little bit more marks on. So let's say a page 127. My page 127. It's not creased yet, but that's okay. 127. We will just line up front and beginning and the end, beginning and the end, beginning and the end. And it's done. You can see that it's much faster than looking at the paper. What you can also do, if I take a couple of pages, I have 129, line them up again, so you can see your marks, and we will just keep marking. Keep marking, and now you can just fold. Now 131 doesn't have anything, just let go. And 133, we'll just move it and mark it again. I think this way it's much faster than just tables. And you have a lesser chance to miss a mark. I figure out that doesn't happen very often when I mark it this way, that I will miss any marks on my cuts. 137 doesn't have anything. 139, and then you just, when you get to the end of your book, you just fold your pattern and continue again. And then you get to the end. You can just keep folding and marking your pages. Okay, so when I am done marking here, we will just cut the page, and I cut the page to the second crease. Okay, 1, 2, 1 and 2, and now you have my tool downstairs. This one will fold on the second depth. And the first one will go to the first crease that you make. And that will be your page. And then you can color it, or you can leave it as it is. Now, we will cut it again. Crease it. This one go to the second crease. This one goes to the first one. Actually, this book is not the best to work with. It has a very thin paper, and it's difficult to fold, but it's okay. So this one doesn't have any marks, so what I will do, I'll just fold it to my first crease, and that's it. My next one will be again cut to my second crease. First one folds to the first one. Our marked spot will go on the second, on the first, on the second, and on the first. And you can see once you crease it, it's very easy to fold it. And that's how you do it without a ruler. Hope it will help. If you have any questions, get in touch with me on my Facebook page or in my messaging. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.